Hello everybody, welcome to Spoon with Nature. Today's adventures, we're going to see if we can find any bluegill in this pond. It's a brisk 36 degrees right now, so sun's coming up, warming up. Using the 6-foot South Bend fly rod today. One of my favorites. It's real handy, these small areas and little ditches and stuff. Nice to get into. Getting the beard to going on here. Civil War reenactment next month. There's going to be some video on that. Ducks are coming in. Oh, as I was saying, Civil War reenactment next month, so growing the beard out a little bit, and we'll have some video on that. That's looking forward to that. My first one. That's going to be pretty exciting. Let's see if we got any fish awake in this pond yet, and if we do, I'll be showing you some action. If not, we'll be a really short video. Now, this used to be a small little pond, and the beavers have blocked up the overflow on this. Master engineers. And they've got moss and sticks and mud. It's pretty well packed in here. I'm standing on it and it's solid. The den, which is not going to be easy to see, it's all the way across the pond. And it was pretty easy to pick that out. I think we're going to probably walk over there, check it out a little better. There's a big old den. When they went in, they trimmed out a lot of the willow that was in here, and they've flooded this pond. It's a pretty nice size now. Looks like it's got some pretty good depth to it. I don't know if the state will come in and clean this out or not, but they made this into a really nice lake. Really amazing. But no bites here, so we're gonna move on. There's a couple more ponds around this area. We're gonna see if we can find something. This one's it's gonna be nice once the fish come up off the beds, I think. So moving on. Almost. Yeah, there was one. Yeah, he was probably yeah, at least that far from shore when he kicked the hook out. So I was close, just like that. But wasn't even expecting it. Just pulling the line through, and he'd come up from nowhere, hit it, pulled the line out of my hand. By the time I got back to the line, he'd already spit the hook out. But he wasn't a big loss. Bait fish. It was better than I was this morning. We're about 400 yards from I-69 out here. And I do remember reading in Popular Mechanics, or it might have been Good Housekeeping, that road noise, like we have out here with the semis and the big vehicles, creates a vibration on the water, and that does stop the fish from wanting to bite and to eat. So I probably would have limited out this morning if it wasn't for that fact. And it just didn't dawn on me till about 2 minutes ago. I'm a little disappointed with that, I gotta say. There's probably some world records out here in this water somewhere, and we'll be able to catch them with all this road noise. It's craziness. So, I'm Gary with Spin with Nature. Thank you for watching.